Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme chat of Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now swipe right to go to your message. Here, select any of the person whom you want to change the theme of. So now click on their profile right here. Here you'll be able to see the option of theme at the first. Select it. You can choose any of these themes according to what you like and hit select. So as you go back, you can see that the theme has been changed of Peace Chat. So I hope if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.